welcome back to today's video. So I figured a really fun way to end the month of December would be to share with you guys what I got for Christmas 2020. Actually with my sister in North Carolina for Christmas, and I was able to go to a few different stores when I was down there, so I did pick up a couple things in the stores as well. So I'm going to share those items with you guys too, just a couple like random things that I picked up, as well as the stuff that I got for Christmas. I got a lot of different like beauty items, fragrances, so let's get into it. If you guys have not subscribed yet to my channel, I hope you will. It is the first link in my description box, or hit that red subscribe button and tap that little bell right next to the subscribe button so you'll be notified when I upload. I upload tons of videos, shop with me's, hauls, TJ Maxx, Dollar Tree, affordable beauty, and I think if you love those things, then you will really like my channel. So let's get on into what I got for Christmas 2020. And I just want to say before I get into this, I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas and you got everything that was on your wish list. Let me know in the comments down below what was something on your list that you got that you were so excited about. So the first thing I want to share with you guys that I got is this adorable little sweater mug. I think this is the cutest mug. I feel like it's really hard to find a unique, I feel like mugs, they all kind of look the same, you know, with a little pattern or saying on it, which, you know, you can find those anywhere, but this one was so unique because it has this little sweater texture on it. I had never seen anything like this before, and the inside says "But First Coffee." My sister Kara actually got this from a store called Kirkland's, and I love that store. We actually had one here where I live, and then they got rid of it, and I was so sad because I used to go there all the time. So hopefully if you guys have a Kirkland's, you can find this. It is so cute. It also has like little different patterns of sweaters, so I am just picturing drinking some cozy tea in this mug, or even doing like a little Instagram photo when it's snowing outside, and I really thought this was so adorable. I cannot wait to use this. My sister also got me this really cute green little tie-dye cropped sweater. So we all know tie-dye was huge this year, so now you're seeing all the stores come out with a lot of different tie-dye items, and this one is really fun. I love the color because it's kind of like a mint green, and I really like the swirly tie-dye pattern, and it is slightly cropped, but I feel like it's not too short. You can kind of see there. It's a little hard to show clothing on camera, but it's really cute, and it's more of a thinner material. It's not fuzzy on the inside, so I'm not going to like overheat. I definitely can see myself wearing this for filming a video. It's like the perfect little filming sweater, and it would just be really cute to wear with some like high-waisted leggings on a comfy casual day. This is from Jolie and Joy. That is the brand, and I like that she got it a little bit bigger so I can wear it oversized. So I always welcome tie-dye items and sweatpant items, sweatshirts to Christmas because I am all about my comfy wear. I literally live in t-shirts, sweatshirts, and leggings, especially being home a lot, especially this year. This was something that was actually on my list. I asked for an Ariana Grande fragrance set, so my sister got me this one. This is actually from Walgreens. It's Ari by Ariana Grande. I think these sets are so cute because you get the perfume, which is a 1 fluid ounce size, which I think is a really nice size, and I also love her bottles. This one has like a cute little pom-pom on it. I think they're adorable, but I also like cutesy little things. And then it also comes with a body lotion, so you get both in here, and this set was really a reasonable price. So I had tried the body spray version of this at TJ Maxx one day, and I loved the smell, so I'm really happy that she got me Ari, and I'm trying to build up my fragrance collection. I'm doing a pretty good job of it so far, and I'm trying to collect a bunch of the Ariana Grande perfumes. I'm not like an Ariana Grande fan or anything like that. I just like her perfumes, and I know a lot of them went really viral on TikTok this year. They like blew up, especially Cloud. That one I'm hopefully going to be getting soon. I'm gonna pick that one up because I love that one too. Also had a sweet like candy one, which I want to get as well. So I was so excited when I opened this. Fragrance has been like one of my favorite things this year to get into in 2020, so I thought this was a really cute set. My sister also got me this really cute kitchen towel from Kirkland's, and I love it. It fits in perfectly with my style. It says farm to table. It has the buffalo check. Now that Christmas decor is over and I'm going to be taking mine down, I'm going to put this up in my kitchen to replace my Christmas towels. So I thought this was super cute. The little patch was so sweet. I love anything like this that says farmhouse on it. It is totally my style. My sister got me these really cute workout leggings. This is by Vina. They are a size small, which I think might be a little too small for me. Usually I wear a medium in workout leggings, but my proportions are really weird. Sometimes the medium fits good, but then it's like big in my upper thighs. So it's always hard for me to find leggings, but I loved these because they had this like perforation on them. Can you guys see that? It's so cute. And I, like I was saying, live in leggings, so I thought these were great. I literally will wear leggings all day long. So they are nice and high-waisted, which is like a must for me. I cannot go back to regular leggings after having high-waisted leggings in my life. Let's see if they fit, because I hope they do. If not, I'll just exchange them for another pair of leggings, because I think she got these at maybe Burlington, so those were really cute. My sister Dana also got me the vanilla perfume from Outremer, which has been also really popular. I've worn that fragrance for years. It smells like a vanilla cupcake. It is so good. However, I do not know where it is right now. I will put a picture of it on the screen. I think it may fell out in our car in the trunk. I have to go check it. Hopefully it's there. I will be so upset if it is not there. With Christmas and so many things going on and like kids, everything gets lost in the shuffle, and I'm just praying that it's in there because I was so excited when I opened that gift. It was on my list and she got it for me, and actually it's been like sold out at a lot of different Anthropologies. That's where it's sold, and also on Amazon, because I think that also went viral on TikTok. That's like the one thing with TikTok, things get popular and then it literally sells out and you cannot get things for months. But that perfume, like I was saying, I've been wearing forever. It is so good if you love sweet vanilla scents, and I was wearing that a ton after Christmas. I like sprayed it on myself that day, and it smells so good and it lasts for a decently long amount of time. So my brother actually got me this really cool gift card, and it's called Happy Beauty. I had never seen this before, but what is cool about this is that it is for Sephora, Ulta, Sally Beauty, SpotFinder.com, Lord & Taylor, and LA Fitness. So of course I'm going to use mine at either Sephora or Ulta, but I didn't even know something like this existed, where you could get a gift card that could work at both Sephora, Ulta, Sally Beauty. So I thought that was really cute, especially if you are a beauty lover like myself. So this I'm definitely going to use very quick. There's already some stuff at Ulta that I have my eye on, so I am going to pick some stuff up using this gift card. So I thought this was a really nice gift. You can't go wrong with a beauty store gift card. My sister got me these really cute Franco Sarto booties. These are called, I think it's the Hyla booty. So there's actually a funny story with these boots. They are leather, perfect for winter. So there's a funny story with these. We had this like glitch that I told my sister about a few months back on, I think it was the DSW.com website. I found out about it from Instagram. To get these boots for free, there was a black pair and this pair. So I told my sister about it. I placed an order and my order got canceled, which is usually what kind of ends up happening with these glitch deals. Sometimes you will get some, and I have gotten some in the past. When they start seeing so many people catching on, they start canceling orders. But my sister ordered 2 pairs of the Franco Sarto booties, and both of her shoes came in the mail, so hers worked fine. So she kept one, my niece actually wears them, and then she gave me the other pair for Christmas, which I thought was really sweet. And these are like a brown kind of leather. I mean, I don't think they're gray. They're kind of like a gray brown, if you will. So I think these are going to be so cute with a bunch of different outfits. Franco Sarto boots are really cute. They kind of have that more like lived in look. Have some options for cute boots to wear with like jeans and stuff. So really adorable. I can't wait to style those. This was another thing I got that was on my wish list that my sister got me. This is a triple barrel huge hair crimper, beach waver type of hair crimper. So this tool was also huge in 2020, and I had been wanting one like this for so long. So my sister got me this one, and she made sure to get one that was like super big so that the crimps would be really big and give those really nice beach waves. So I did try this when I was at my sister's house, and it came out really nice. I really like the way it looked. I'll have to do a whole video on it if you guys are interested in that. let me know. I'll show you how big this thing is. It actually is so big that you have to be careful because I did burn my neck right here with it because it's really big. So it's easy to get it like close to your neck, so you have to be really careful with it. So this is what it looks like. Hopefully you can see just how big this thing is. It is huge, like crazy big, but that's what's so great about it is because it is so big, it gives you those huge crimps in your hair, those really soft beachy waves. I will say the one thing with this is after I used it, I did love the way my hair looked, but I feel like you could get a very kind of similar result just braiding your hair and then waking up and then taking out the braids. But this gives more of like a uniform, kind of more perfect looking beach wave. You can kind of, you know, determine how it's gonna look as opposed to braids. You don't really know how it's gonna look. But with this, hopefully, I don't know if that like made sense. So much fun to do as opposed to doing like a regular curling iron. So just something a little bit different and fun. And she like had got one and she said it was 25 millimeters and it wasn't big enough, so she returned it and got this one. I think this one is 32, so it is huge. If I can find this, I will link it down below for you guys. But I was so excited. We actually call this the poodle maker in my family. I'm like, oh, we got the poodle maker because it gives the crimps, and that's just like what we call it. And we were cracking up because we had pictures from 2008 when we also got a crimper for Christmas, but it was that like really small, tiny Hot Tools crimper that had the little tiny like crimps, if you guys know what I'm talking about. And we were cracking up because we had in our Facebook memories pictures of us using that small crimper. And now here we are in 2020 and I got this huge crimper, and the crimps are a lot cuter. So, and Nick actually got me something. I opened it earlier, like 2 weeks before Christmas, because he was really excited about it and it was something that I would use every day. So he got me this really nice personal blender from Amazon, and I use a blender twice a day, in the morning for breakfast and then for my afternoon smoothie. We're not like huge gift givers for Christmas. We used to like really do big things and like expensive things when we were dating, but now since we're married, we just kind of buy whatever we want whenever we want something. So if he wants something, he'll go get it during the year. If I want something, I'll get it during the year. And at Christmas, we just get each other like little gifts. So I thought what he got me was perfect. He really did surprise me. I did not know he was going to get that for me. I had a personal blender and it was getting old and it didn't work that well. So he got me this Amazon one and it is so good. You guys, it also comes with 2 little canisters to blend with. So if one is dirty, you can use the other one. It's also dishwasher friendly, so I'm so happy with it, and it was really affordable. I will link it down below if you guys are interested. So that is everything I got for Christmas from my family, and now I'll show you guys a couple things I got from the stores that I went to. I went to this store called Burkes, and I picked up this curling iron. I actually used it today. I was trying something different with my hair. Specifically, I got this curling iron to do this hairstyle that I'm wearing right now. And this is, I can't believe I found this because I was looking for something like this. There was only one. So this store, Burkes, I don't know where else they have it, but I will put a store locator if you can find it. But the one where my sister lives is actually going out of business, and I was sad because I always liked going there when I was over. But this is a Pro Beauty Tools, that's the name of the brand, XL barrel for tousled curls and waves. This is the 1 1/4 inch 24 karat gold curling iron. So this is actually specifically for long hair, and I will show you guys what it looks like. This was only $14.99. Where is the price tag? Yeah, $14.99, which is so good because this wand by Hot Tools, I was actually looking at getting this a couple weeks ago because I wanted an XL wand so bad for my hair. That one is $59.99, so I got an amazing deal on this, and I actually did find this online. So this is going to be linked in my description box. Go check it out if you guys want to see what it looks like. If you're interested in purchasing it, it works so well. I got exactly the curls that I wanted, and I'm going to do a whole tutorial on this. It's really easy to use, and I love how long it is. Here is what the curling iron looks like. You can see it is so nice and long. Usually curling wands are like half of this, and if you have long hair, you know what a pain that is. So to have something like this that is so long is amazing. And if you don't like using a clamp, you can just wrap your hair around the barrel and use it like a curling iron. And it's just a simple curling iron. It goes from 300 to 430. I kept mine on 375 just for like heat protection. Works so nicely, and I honestly was just amazed that I found this. I could not believe my eyes. So yeah, really loving this. This last gift from my sister was so good. I actually was like getting emotional with this gift, and I don't know why, but I was just so surprised. She got me, are you guys ready? She got me all 3 seasons of Newlyweds with Jessica Simpson and Nick Lachey. I was so shocked because I literally, if you guys watched my last video, it was my TJ Maxx favorites. At the end of that video, I was talking about Jessica Simpson's Fancy Perfume, and I said I really want to watch Newlyweds. I love Jessica Simpson. I love that show. So then to get this for Christmas, I was like, oh my gosh, are you serious? It was so cool. So she actually found these on eBay. This is the first season, and you get 2 discs in here. I think I can watch this on my MacBook. It does have a disc player in there. So there's 2 discs in here, and if you guys are my age, you definitely loved Newlyweds, and I am just still in denial. I still think Jessica and Nick are together, even though I know they're not, and they have since moved on and have kids with other people, but this show is just so classic, like 2000s early reality TV. It just takes me back to like a simpler time. And she got me seasons 2 and 3, and she actually had them wrapped individually, which I thought was so cute. Very just like thoughtful. Final season, so you know I'm gonna be binge watching all of these, and I was so excited that she got me these. It was just such an awesome gift, and so many people on my Dollar Tree Instagram were like, oh my gosh, that's like the best gift ever. So really just so good. She really surprised me with that, and I can't wait to watch those and just relive all the episodes and all the moments, and I love that show. I also got this from Burkes. It's from Ray Dunn. It's this really cute flower canister, and this I think says it's from August 2017, so I guess it's an older model or something that she doesn't make anymore, but I thought it was so cute because I've been looking for something to put my flower in. So this is what it looks like, and I think it's so cute, and I love storing stuff in little storage bins, especially if it says the name. I had never seen a Ray Dunn flower bin before. I love that it's kind of like a tin. It does have a little dent over here, but since it's white, you can't really see it. And I paid $4.99 for this, so I thought that was a great price. I also went to Five Below when I was there, and I picked up this really cute Cool Gear is the name, the brand. It's 64-ounce water bottle, and I thought this would be perfect to get my water intake in. I've been looking for a really big water bottle like this. It could be really pricey, and of course this was only $5. And what's cool about this is that there's actually this like freezer stick in here attached to the straw. So what you do is you freeze this in your freezer, and then it'll keep your water cold. And I like that there's a handle on it. So this is great if you have water goals for 2021 to just drink a lot of water. And they do also have this in blue and green, and I did see this at my New York store as well. So definitely if you're looking to increase your water intake, pick one of these up. I thought it was just really nice and such a great deal. And I did end up going to Ross. I filmed a little video there. I didn't find too much there. Of course there was like a bunch of things I wanted, but I was trying to just control myself. There was like a lot of cute clothes, but I did end up getting one thing from there. These adorable pants with stars on them. You guys, how cute are these? Oh my goodness, and they are so soft. Oh, they have that really soft material on the inside. So cute. I cannot wait to wear these. I love stars. Has a little cuff to bottom, and I just love these. The brand is Roma, the Perfect Jogger, in case you guys have a Ross in your town. We don't, unfortunately. That's why I like going there when I am in North Carolina. So this is just, it's called Junior Knit Pants. So it was in the junior section, and I paid $9.99 at Ross. So I had to get these. They're a size medium, just to have a little more room. But this was the only pair that I found. So I sink and love those. Alright guys, so that is everything that I got for Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you got for Christmas. That was like your favorite item. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this little video. I just thought it was something fun to do. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I am so excited as we go into 2021. I have so many fun videos in store for you guys. Thank you guys for watching me and supporting me this whole year. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!